Guy's fault.
No, that's got over. Yeah.
Oh.
Wasn't a big bang, though, was it? Wasn't a big bang.
Oh, offside.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
Yay. Oh, yeah.
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 Where he is.
Yeah, I'm glad about
It's almost a
that.
firework
I'd hate to
itself.
lose him. Yeah, could you just spin your head around?
Yeah.
Do a bit of a method, Phil. What's the Exorcist? Can we do some Exorcist then?
Like Catherine will.
Actually, I've never watched that movie. Oh, pretty. Yeah, not bad. It's a bit mammy. Getting higher.
I'm a bit more concerned about the other one.
Oh, there we go.
Oh.
Oh.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's called a fountain, I think.
Is it?
Yeah.
I thought the fountain was continuous.
Yeah.
So this is traffic light.
All right.
Yeah. I think.
Right. Good.
Is it
He's
really?
ganged up on there. It's too nonchalant. Is that right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's a slurred word, but it's a word. Oh.
Oh, nice.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, but at the end, we just need to like a big...
Glenda, what are these called?
What's this one?
Glenda?
This is...
I don't know actually.
Oh,
No.
see?
When you say these, you meant that,
Here we go.
didn't you?
Oh, no, the same house going to happen.
Was that it?
Yeah.
Three.
Yay! Like the bang at the
We
end.
like the noise ones.
Everyone.
Yeah, a bit.
Yay. Snap, crackle and popping.
Yeah.
Oh, we like that.
Oh, that's a good one. Like that. Not a bang though.
No.
That was quite nice. Oh,
Oh, yeah.
we like that one.
Mind your head, it's going to come down.
It's going to land on someone now.
Interesting.
That's
Oh.
nice. Not,
Knocked it.
well, it's a bit candy. Is he going to do it?
He's doing something.
Roman candle, isn't it?
Yeah, that is a Roman candle.
Oh, like you knew.
You ready?
Oh!
Look at burnout.
Explosion.
It
Oh.
gives me the sound, really.
Oh. Was that one of yours in? Yeah.
What's this, ladies and gentlemen?
What's this baby
If it
go?
bangs at the end, then you're a star.
Oh.
Oh!
Yay! Yay!
He didn't wear makeup.
Shout John.
Ooh. Plop.
Clogging it out.
Look it out.
Can't have been blown. What's these? Well, I think there is.
Family firework.
Hey!
Yay! Oh.
Look at that.
They're good ones. Oh, just come out.
Around the other road.
Yeah, we go.
We'll be back in a minute, Rob.
Yeah.
Then again.
We were looking at the
Bang.
so cold.
Yeah, we were told.
That's a good one.
Oh, it's going to be loud. What if it's loud?
Oh. Oh, wow. Nailed that. was good. That was good.
We're doing in competition, you know.
Oh,
The little squeak.
Oh,
Little squeak at the beginning.
only lovely.
oh no.
Oh,
Wow.
pretty. Yes.
Now we're talking.
It's doing the spinny stuff.
Here we go.
Yeah.
Hey!
Yes.
Is it good?
Oh.
Yay!
Yay.
That's great.
Yeah.
Oh,
Bless it. It's a bit like the
Yeah.
I must admit, I thought it was
Yeah.
a bit faster, but there you go, it worked. That was good, that was good.
Yay.
Mind the chicken. Oh, my goodness. Mind the chicken.
What did you do
wood
that?
shake, because it was a straw.
Yeah, I think it was a straw going. Oh, well, it sort of worked, Ron. That was good. Best one I've ever seen in my life. Finale.
That was the finale.
You started to cuss and will.
It's raining really heavy now.
Nice.
It's cabin.
Still going?
Yeah, I love the cabin.
Nice strong.
It reminds me of something.
Capping wheel.
That cabin wheel, I like that. What's it remind me of? Ron, the fences are light. Can you hear me? That's pretty.
I'm coming.
Coming in. In from the rain. Coming from the rain. I'll get my little people in.
We did all right though.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. Oh, look.
Wow. Can't see that one.
Yeah.
Hey!